It's Sunday, which is my day. So today we are doing this back garden. Back garden. Yeah, tidy, clean, and all of that bit as well. So yeah, before, and I'll show you during and after. That wouldn't fit. I got these two as well. They didn't fit, so I just PTF feed the shit out of it, and we're good. Okay, not good. It's coming out from here. What the hell? Okay, another connector. All good. Let's get on with it now, finally. Are you kidding me? Stupid ball was on the freaking other end of the hose! Okay, I'll hold on to that piece of garbage and let's get on with this. So I've tidied it up, yeah? It's all clean. I'm gonna friggin' wash the damn thing now. Woo, baby! My enthusiasm is back. Woo! I'm a simple human being. I enjoy the simple things. Look at that. That's so awesome. I love it. Half done. I've done it to here. So I got that side to do now. So seeing I'm on a roll, I might as well do the front garden. I already started taking out all the weeds. I'm gonna wash it as well. Difference immediately, just on the edges. And we're done. I am very tired and very hungry. I just ate, alhamdulillah, but I am battered. I am so dead. That mom's kidding me now. I'm gonna proper feed it tomorrow. I think it's time to take a Brufen. You know what that is? Brufen. Brufen Pigin, ba? Pigin.